Hey guys, let's talk about the GKU D900. It's a dash cam with 4K resolution. You see here, the camera comes with a lens and also a microphone. And here you can see the connection to power. So basically it comes with all the accessories that you need to connect the camera in your car. There's a button to turn the camera on, and there's no other buttons here to access the menu. So basically you need to use a cell phone to connect to the camera. Here's the LCD display. You see here the information 4K, 5 gigahertz to connect to the phone, and also GPS. And on the other side here, you see the connection to power and to the rear camera, right? Let me just bring a cable here so I can connect to power. So basically the connection is here. Of course, you're gonna use the one that comes to connect to your car. So I connect here. You see that the camera, is on and asks to insert SD card. I don't have it here yet because I have here on my computer. Okay, so back here, I'm gonna show this in a while, the image from the camera, because I've been testing for some time. You see the LCD display goes off after some time. So you're good to go. The camera is already recording. Let me just put it back there, and also the box. Oh, let me just show here first in the box. You see the information about it's 360 routable, and there's an app control, 1.47 screen, and 170 degrees for the front rear camera, and the rear camera is 150. Okay, there we go. We just put the box back there, and you see that the camera can work with an iPhone or any phone that you have. So basically here you have this app, but first to connect to the camera, just need to come here to the Wi-Fi and select the camera. Basically the camera has a Wi-Fi signal. You need to find it here. Let me just look for the signal. There we go, that's the one. So it connects to the camera. I come back here to the app, and I'm gonna see the camera working, okay? Pretty fast. And you also have the information here about the SD card. I don't have the SD card there. So it lets me know that I need to use the SD card. And here the dash cam already working back there, okay? And from here you can play the images that you have in the SD card. You can also format the SD card and come here also to the camera settings and adjust the audio recording, speaker volume, video resolution, loop recording, anti-flicker, watermark, everything, speed unit, daylight saving time, collision sensing. Okay, you have everything here on your cell phone. Let me just show more about the accessories. So here you have the cables you can connect to your camera, and here to the cigarette lighter, and also comes here with the rear camera. So install on the back of your car and connect to the camera, and also accessories for installation. Okay, you can run the cable using this tool here, and also hold the camera, hold the cables in place, some stickers, so everything that you need for the installation, which is pretty easy. And here the user menu with all the information that you need. It's a pretty good one. So let me just show the image from the camera. So I was testing for some time. Here you see the image on daytime. Let me just play a little here. You see it? There we go. So the quality is very, very good. Let me just pause this one. So you see here, that works pretty fine. You see here the sky, the trees, the quality is very, very good. High resolution, 4K. And then you have here at nighttime, I was testing as well. See the quality, very, very good as well at nighttime. So guys, very, very good indeed, okay? And here's the software I can download, the DVD player, and it's pretty interesting because here you see on the map, you see here there's a small car, and when I play here, you see that I have my location, and the car is moving here. So it's pretty nice, works pretty fine, okay? So I can't show that much here because I need to keep the privacy, but basically the car is here on a map, and as long as I'm playing here the video, it's going to show where the car is located. So it works pretty fine, okay? So let me just come here, come to my car, so you see the installation, and I'll come back here in a while. So let's go there. Okay, so here's the final installation of the dash cam here on the windshield. Connect the rear cable and also the power cable, and then you run the cable as best as you can. You can run on the top of the car and use the tools to help you to hide the cable as best as possible. You run above of the door and as well, and all the way to the rear camera back there on your trunk. You just open your trunk and you can put the rear camera there. Just need to peel the sticker as well, put the camera in place, and you're good to go. You can just close your trunk and then you have the final installation just like this, right? Okay, guys, the dash cam is ready to go. As you can see, it's connected to power and also to the rear camera. I just need to turn on the engine. So here we go. And the camera is going to turn on by itself, right? So it turns on. There we go. Start recording. And then it starts recording. You see here the image from the camera for a while, and then it's going to turn off, just a display, but it keeps recording. So it's recording right now, and I'm good to go. So now when I run with my car, I can register everything into the SD card that's just right here, okay? There's also the power button here. You can turn on and turn off the camera if you want to, but simple like this. As long as you have the cables connected, you just turn on the engine, the camera starts recording. When you turn off, it stops recording. Okay guys, as you can see, it's a good dash cam with 4K resolution, 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It works pretty fine. You can get yours on Amazon. I highly recommend it.